Do you want to earn money while staying at home? Do you want to earn it even if you are doing nothing? If you do, then this video is for you. We will show you ways of how you can grow your monthly income without working hard for it. You can stay at home all day and earn up to $500 if you do this method. You do not need any experience or technical expertise, and you do not need to work hard. This method is 100% free, meaning you do not need an investment to make a start. It is available worldwide, meaning anyone from anywhere can make money by doing this method. And most of all, this method is hands-free. You will gain passive income once you follow the steps that we are going to show you on how to set this up. You will be paid continuously every month once you do this. Make sure to watch till the end of the video to learn the step-by-step process on how you can set up your passive income and maybe even double or triple it. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start earning. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. We will be showing you a bunch of websites that can help you earn money passively. You can also double your earnings by using these websites. So to start, the first website that we will be showing you today is Gotranscript.com. Gotranscript.com is a transcription services website that helps people transcribe videos and audio files, translate audio files from one language to another, and even add foreign subtitles and captions to their videos. You will earn when the client uploads the files that they want to be transcribed. Then they pay you an amount depending on the website's pricing. Once you are done transcribing, you can then submit it to the client and get paid. They have tons of information about this website, about their pricing or transcriptions, the process of how they complete their tasks, and many more. You just have to scroll down their page to read these pieces of information and be aware of how the website works. And you don't have to worry about the legitness of the website. If you scroll down to this section, you can see the big brands that trust this website in transcribing their projects. So what we're going to do here today is to do some transcription services. And if you're not familiar with transcription, it is basically turning audio from video, music, or recording files into written words. However, we are not going to transcribe these files manually. Transcription takes a lot of time on our hands and it is difficult. What we are going to do today is an easy method to transcribe these files automatically. No need for you to type for hours and hours just to complete one file. You can automatically do it in minutes without breaking a sweat. Are you still watching? Good. We will show you in this video how you can transcribe files automatically, so stay tuned. You can get paid based on how long the audio files are and the amount of time needed to complete the job. If we look at this price calculator from the website, for a 30-minute recording with a timetable of 6 to 12 hours to complete, you can earn $90 for this. So, if we use the easy method and transcribe files easily that are 30 minutes long, we can earn up to $180 per hour. That sounds like a good deal. We will now show you how you can create a free account on this website and start earning. First, we scroll down below and at the For Transcriptionist section, click on Work. It will then redirect you to this page, and all you have to do is click the Apply Now button. Once you click this, it will then let you choose what language you want. For this video, we will choose English. Once you have chosen a language, you can then sign up using your email address or by using your Facebook or Google account. Once you put your email and password, you can now click on Sign Up and you now have an account. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. The second website that we will be showing you is Scribie.com. This website is another transcription services website similar to Gotranscript.com. On this website, you can also see how transcriptionists get paid, the process of how they do their jobs, and customer service and logos of big brands that trust this website with their transcription needs. You can create an account on this website by scrolling down to this section and sign up as a transcriber. If you are wondering why we're asking you to sign up for this website, don't worry. The method that you will be applying to Gotranscript.com and Scribby.com are exactly the same. We will just be using the easy method of transcribing files to complete jobs on both websites. The reason we are introducing you to these websites and asking you to sign up with them is because we want you to have multiple sources of income. Multiple sources of income mean that your monthly passive income will increase and you will have more and more money as every month ends. So the more websites you sign up for, the more jobs you can do and complete. However, not all websites will have available jobs. Some will have them and some don't. That is why we should have a lot of websites to sign up on so that our passive income will not depend on just one website. So back to the video. Once you click that, you will then be greeted by an overview detailing the jobs that you will be doing on this website. So on this website, you can earn $5 to $25 an hour. You will be transcribing short files that are 10 minutes long or less, and for every 3 hours of transcription that you can complete, you will be rewarded $5 more. If you look at this website pays less than Gotranscript.com. However, this is not a problem since your main goal is to set up multiple sources of income so that your monthly income will increase. So the question is, how do we transcribe easily? If you go to Google and search NCH software and click the first link, you will be shown this page. NCH software contains different software and utilities for computers, pictures, videos, audio, and more. What we need from this website is the transcribing software. If you look at this section, we can see transcribing software. We just click on this and it will redirect us to this page. And now you can download this software. This software is 100% free and it will automatically transcribe files for you. With one click of a button, the file that you want to transcribe will be transcribed completely in a few minutes. You can then submit these to websites like Gotranscript.com or Scribby.com and earn a lot of money. If you do not want to transcribe or if you are too lazy to do that, we have another solution for you. If you scroll down to Gotranscript website and look at the For Transcriptionists tab, there is an affiliate option. Being an affiliate in this website basically means that you refer other transcriptionists to do the job for you and still earn money. You will get a 10% lifetime affiliate commission for every referral you make. The same can be done on Scribby.com. If you scroll down the website, you will see an affiliate program on the lower section of this website. You can click this, and you will see an overview of being an affiliate. So in Scribby, you can get a 5% lifetime affiliate commission for every referral you make. You just need to promote the services to other people by either sharing an affiliate link or linking it to your own website or blog. Just by doing this, you can earn a lot of money. The last website that we will be showing you is TranscriptionEssentials.com. This website houses tons of professional transcriptionists that are willing to accept jobs from other people. This website has over 2,000 members, over 3,000 posts, and 2,000 topics discussed. You can use this website to refer these professional transcriptionists to Gotranscript and Scribby, and both you and the transcriptionist can earn money. But before you can do that, you first need to register an account. You can just click the register button located here and agree to the terms of agreement. Once you do that, you will then need to put your username, email, and password for your account. You also need to answer questions for verification. Don't worry, if you do not know the answer, you can just do a quick Google search. Once you have done all that, just click register and you now have your own account. You can now start posting and sharing your affiliate link to their forums and wait for someone to click it. You can now start referring people to Gotranscript and Scribie and let them do the job for you. Both of you can earn money. It's a win-win. Now we have shown you at least 4 ways of diversifying and multiplying your passive income. This step-by-step process is super simple to do and you can start earning right away. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.